Hello guys, in this video we'll get one step closer to our first TypeScript program. And in order for us to be able to do that, there are a few tools that we need on our computers that will help us set up that environment for being able to run your TypeScript programs. And the first tool that we'll need is Node.js. I won't go and explain what Node.js is or what it does, because it does a lot of things. But for the purpose of this video, Node.js is the tool that will help us run our TypeScript program. So it has the set of, I'll just call them tools again, that will help us set up the TypeScript compiler so that we can be able to use the compiler and run the TypeScript programs. So I'll also be creating two sets of videos, one for Windows and another one for Mac and Linux. So the Mac and Linux video will be one video because I believe the setups are the same for Node.js there. And then for the way that I'll be doing it, the setup is the same. And for the Windows audience, I'll also be creating a video for you. So just watch the video that's relevant to you, and then we'll go on to writing our first TypeScript program.